it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Scribble Prints Co Ultimate Mystery Bundle or Mystery Ultimate Bundle? No, Ultimate Mystery Bundle. And this is just a really fun, instead of having like a holiday advent or even a holiday themed thing, this is like one big box that you could buy as a special gift to yourself or a friend, and you get 4 Ultimate Kits, 4 foil bundles, and some items, a planner keeper from Pression. So let's open her up. I'm sure everyone's seen it already and has theirs, but I thought I'd still just post the opening and my opinions because I was a part of it. First we have the Pression bag here for the planner keeper. Really nice. I didn't get a planner keeper originally, so it is nice to have one as part of the bundle, but it's like you can like keep your planner stuff in it, and this is a special pink for Scribble Prints Co with gold hardware because there was a pink unreleased, but it had silver hardware and it was a different pink. So Andrea kind of did her own. So you can see it like opens up, but it gets really, you can make it really bulky. And you have ring binders, and we also got all these fun accessories included. So we have like this little pouch and these sort of like, let me open these up. Might as well set her up, you know. So these are like pockets, plastic pockets. Oh, they go inwards like that. That's cool, and you can fit the stickers in, sticker kits. You can. Well, that's fun. They just perfectly fit. Scribble Prints Co kits. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those, plus this pocket thing. Let me have a look. What is opening? Oh, it's got like this little pouch. You can see inside. That's really cool, and you can put them all in here and just have everything together, and you can fit all sorts of stuff in here: washies, pens, your cutter, your stickers, whiteout. They'll all fit in there because it gets pretty like wide when you put it together. And it's just really cool. You can keep all your stuff in here, and you got this pocket in the front. You can put your name there with the vinyl. It's really pretty. I'm kind of sad I didn't have this like a couple years ago, because this would have been perfect when I went to Australia a couple times and I brought all my planning stuff. And this would have been perfect to hold all of my stuff while I was traveling between Australia and Finland, but I'm happy to have it now. It's super fun and such a cool thing to include, like with the deal, the price. It sold out during its cheaper pricing. I think it was $99, and this itself is like $50 or something like that. And then each kit is like $30, so really good value there. So that's what we got from Pression. And then we had 4 different Ultimate Kits with matching foil, but you don't have to match the foil with it. You can like mix and match. You can use it with something else. So let's have a look. I'll go from the top. These are all like non-holiday. You can use them throughout the year. Different themes, kind of cover all sorts of different people, which I like. And 4 different artists, so including me, but we'll get to that last. So first we have, let's zoom. First we have Cottage core, and the artist is Darcy, and this is gorgeous. Like this girl, I'm like in love. I love her. She's so beautiful. And this is like Andrea's idea of Cottage core. Earlier in the year I released Romantic Verses, which is like my version of Cottage core, and we're talking about Cottage core. So this has been in the works for like almost the entire year, like probably since February, March. I've seen all these kits, like all the art previously, and I just thought it was a really cool way that she put everything together, and there's something for everyone. And I like all the kits, so this was like Andre's idea of Cottage Co, and I think it's so pretty. It's like a bit more whimsical and like the softer pastel colors, and the girls are so pretty. Ugh, that's so cute. I'm definitely want to pull this out in the springtime, maybe March or April. March and April is still kind of wintry here, but it would be nice to have this in my planner. I love these colors. Like, this is like a different, it's definitely a different look at Cottage Co, because I feel like a lot of Cottage Co are super brown and creams, and this one you've got like the muted purple and pink and blue with the green. Super soft and pretty. Ugh, I love that. I've only actually seen the before the reveal, I'd only ever seen the full boxes, so this is really seeing everything for the first time here. Oh, beautiful papers. I love the little soft leaves there, and like the sort of the ink look. It always makes you think of the inside of old books. I love that kind of paper. And this is really pretty. Just the different leaves. Yes! And they have some extra boxes here, so these aren't in the kit at all, which is really nice. You get, okay, so it's not just Ultimate kits, it is the mystery format of Ultimate, which gives you these extra boxes and extra page, which is really cool. So you have the extra skin tones here. Oh my gosh, she looks so pretty. Oh, I love this indoor scene as well, like a different scene. And these boxes are really fun, and you get the 15mm. I'm really excited for this one. I think it's definitely kind of have to go into my spring lineup. And then the foil that came with it was this rose design, rose floral. And it has beautiful florals, so you can accent all the corners. You can see there, like, oh, I think that would actually be really fun around, oh, the flowers there. Yeah, beautiful. So a bunch of beautiful floral designs with just a simple confetti header. And you have little bits of confetti around the florals, which I love. And then you have the bougie. And then the typical pages there. And then the bottom washi, you have the solid book, and then you have more of the florals. So pretty. And that is in rose. And I think, yeah, it works pretty dang well with this kit, especially with that pink there. So, love that. That's the first one. The that was called Cottage Co. Yes. The second one is Planning Time. So this is your typical pink planner girl kit, which you gotta have, right? It's a staple to have in your collection. You never know when you want to pull this out. You're not feeling anything. I know it's the middle of summer and you're just not feeling summer kind of thing. You could pull this in, and it is beautiful. And I love this artist. Yeah, you would have seen her, I don't know when. Anyway, I just love this artist, this new artist working with Scribble Prints Co. She is insanely skilled. Like, just the way the cloud, everything just feels so real and 3D and just like perfectly put together. Like, look at that office. It's just so well done. And I really like this is sort of like, there's aspects of luxe in there, but it's like not too over the top. I love that. Oh my gosh. I'm loving this artist. Every time I see her stuff, I'm just like hot eyes. Oh my god, that planner card with all the items in it. So well done. And I love these colors. I love like the addition of the sort of chocolatey brown. It's really soft and delicious. I did actually do the patterns for this kit, which is nice. It's fun to like, I kind of get the color palette and the art, and then I kind of try and do some patterns to go with it. And I thought, like this is like a Louis Vuitton pattern with the checkerboard, so tried that out. But just some fun pink planner stuff. Oh, this is fun. You got the actual Scribble Prints Co website on there. And then you have the gray. Well, that is edition. And the girls with the t-shirt and the hair. It's just so well done. Ugh, I love it. So that is planning time, and the matching bundle is the Luxe in Matte Bronze, I believe. I think this is Matte Bronze. Yeah, super beautiful. Got the Luxe patterns. I love Luxe. I don't want to buy Luxe products, but I just love these symbols. I think they're really pretty. I don't know. I'm into them. So that was planning time. Next we got something a bit more neutral and homey. This is House to Home. Wait, this is this just gold then? Wait, that's matte bronze. I'm confused. Are they both matte bronze? I think they are. I don't know. I can't remember what the foil was supposed to be for this stuff. So let's just have a look at House to Home. Now this one's really fun. I feel like there's some people who they don't like the bright colors, they don't like the pink, and this kit is perfect for them. It's just a classy, chic house kit. I love this artist as well. Been loving her stuff. I just think her girls are beautiful, and I love the way, I don't know, I feel like her art is really, like the shadows aren't too harsh, so it looks really bright and clean. And yeah, I'm loving this. This would be perfect for like if you're moving house, if you're spring cleaning, if you've got nothing else to, you don't want to mark anything, you just want something clean, a clean slate. I love that. So pretty. I'm just looking at all the bits and pieces. I haven't got to look at these in person, like close up. Oh, I love the cat though. Yeah, this is a really beautiful living room scene. I wish mine was as pretty, but it's not. Oh, I love this toolbox of this girl on her phone. That is cool. But yeah, I really love these soft colors. Like they're neutral, but I don't think they're like drab. I think they're just like really calming when you just need a calm at home week. Really interesting patterns. That's interesting there. I don't know, it's fun to see what others do. Oh my god, this mix of paint, abstract paint splatters is really cool. And you have like an extra girl of that. Design books. Oh my god, this girl here, this version of her. Wait, all three of them are different and they're beautiful. What? I don't know which one I would use. I think I'd use her. She looks gorgeous. And then these extra scenes. I love this color for the 15mm. I don't know, I feel like it's like, I love having something different for each. A different experience and different ways to use all of them. And then you get the matte bronze confetti, which we love confetti. We love matte bronze. It is the superior. So this will look, matte bronze will look perfect with this. Although I feel like you could also do silver, but matte bronze is nice and like, it won't make it pop too much. Because I feel like I don't want this set to be too shiny. Yeah, so I think matte bronze is perfection with this. Oh, those girls. They're so beautiful. And then finally we come to crazy old me. We went over the top with this one. The directive for this one was Candyland, the board game. So this doesn't exist, right? I think it's mostly just a US thing, maybe Canada, but as a Australian, never heard of Candyland. In Australia we call candy lollies, so it would be called Lollyland, which is a bit much. So when Andrea sent the mood board for this, she sent me pictures of like all the characters, all the references that I was supposed to get. So like the characters that I did themed people of. So it's like a lollipop princess. This was like, I don't know, it had this kind of outfit with like a red nose, so I gave her like a super blushed nose. I don't know what the character is, but it was super cute. This is my favorite girl, I think. Especially with the super blush nose. And then this is like an ice queen, I don't know. But I think she turned out so beautiful and regal. But yeah, it's Candyland themed, but I think you can just use it as like any kind of a lolly theme if you're just feeling super bright and happy. I don't know why I'm getting also a Christmas holiday feels with it, because I feel like, I don't know, lollies and Christmas or even a super bright Halloween kit if you're just not into dark and spooky Halloween, because you have the lollies. We have a little gingerbread man too, so that's fun. This could also be fun in summer. But yeah, I was super proud of this ice cream castle, this like lolly castle, because I was like, how the heck? She's just like, draw a candy castle. I'm like, okay. So I like used an image of one from Candyland, and then I worked on top of that, like worked from it to try and make it, you know, something else. I added a whole bunch of ice cream inside and like ice cream towers. But yeah, I don't know, this was a challenge and it was really fun to do, and I love the colors, and I think it turned out really awesome. Like, look at this girl. I was so pleased with it. And I love these colors. They're so pretty. Like the purple and the blue with this pink, and then the pop of like pastel yellow. I don't know when I'm using this, but I'm definitely using this next year. I had to do like the rainbow sprinkles, and then this is actually a terrazzo pattern, but I put in the terrazzo is like a different pattern within the terrazzo, so it looks like broken up pieces of candy, which I think was really fun. I love grid all the time. And then she put that as a bottom washi, which I'm so happy with, because I was so happy with this. I love playing around with like other patterns and merging them together and making something new. So this is like a swirly ink pattern, a bit like that Darcy kit one, but then put into the terrazzo pattern. I don't know, it turned out so good. Then you have the different skin tones for the like the person walking on the candy road. I just really love these shoes, and I could never wear them, so I'm putting them in. And this is like the design of the kid. And then I was super pleased with this mixer and bowl as well. And I love, it's a rainbow 15mm. I didn't notice that. Oh my gosh. It's gonna look so cute. Wait, let me get the page out. Look at that. Oh my god. It's gonna look amazing. Yeah, your girl's gonna be using this because it's just so over the top, and I love it. And then, so that's Candyland, and then the foil with it is a lavender hollow of the candy design. It's perfection, like perfection. But you could use any, but I would definitely bring in the candy design in my opinion. And the lavender hollow just gives a little bit closer to like the purples and pinks that are in the kit. So I think I will pair I'm pretty sure I'm just going to pair them all with the included foil, because I don't know, I feel like Audrey did perfection there. But yeah, that was the ultimate mystery bundle. I think it was, oh my god, so worth it. It is beautiful. I love everything, and I love how like it's diversified and you get something for everyone here. If you don't love something, you can sell it on the BST or trade with someone. But I personally love all of them. So I'm going to make room in my planner for these. So I was very pleased. I'm so happy with how this box came out. And yeah, so it was really, really fun to work on. And I just love working with SPC. So if you like this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye!